All right, so you made it to the end of that section there. Now, before you move on to the next section, this is very important. I have a few actions actually, that I want you to take before you watch the next section, okay? Now, throughout this entire course, what you could do is you could watch the entire thing and then decide to take action and start implementing what we're talking about. If you do that, you are going to be overwhelmed with information and you're not really going to take action. Most likely, that's the way it usually works, and that's why I implemented these videos at the end of each section that I want you to do. I want you to watch these. I want you to implement what I'm telling you to do here before you move on, and that way, by the time you finish this course, you're going to have a video course and a product that is ready to sell, okay? So the first action before you move on to the next section is to download a video editing software, okay? This here, like I mentioned previously, no matter what type of course you are creating, you will need a video editing software, so please find one and download it. If you aren't sure which one to use, just head over to our Slack channel and ask me or someone else, and we will be glad to assist you in finding a video editing software that is right for you, okay? Next, download a screencast software. This does not apply to everyone, depending on the video course that you are creating. You might be doing a live shot video course. If you are, don't worry about the screencast software. If you are creating a course like I am, where you are recording your video screen, then download your screencast software. Again, if you're not sure, ask us over on Slack. Last but not least, make sure that you have your microphone and your camera ready. If you're going to be using a camera, not all of you will. A microphone, everyone will be using a high quality microphone, hopefully. So make sure you have that prepared. If you don't have one, and if you have a little bit of a budget, we talked about some different microphones that you can buy for as little as $50. If you have a friend or a family member that has one that you can use, that's great. Again, if you have any questions about any of this, feel free to ask us over in the Slack channel. Please do all three of these or two of them if the screencast doesn't apply to you before you move on to the next section, okay? We're going to have all of this ready to go, and in the next section, we're going to talk about actually picking a course topic and figuring out what type of video course we can create, okay? So get that stuff downloaded, get your microphone and your camera ready, and in the next section, we're going to decide on our topic.